Okay, part three. A couple things. I feel like they are definitely seeing the writing on the wall now. Shit. One of my kids, I think it's Raylan, because of the handwriting, has scratched some words into my fucking desk here. Um, but I can't necessarily see what it is. But I think one of the letters, I think it's like lyrics or something. But I see a D. So maybe a D is in their name or somewhere. Second thing, I don't feel the need to go unpack this. Like, I don't feel like this is something that we should work through, at least right now. Like, I don't feel like, let's sort all this shit out. Like, I feel like this is more of something this, that you're going to have to let them do themselves and literally kind of get like recognize within yourself. Also, this shit you see how I just covered him up? You're gonna have to be vulnerable in this shit completely with yourself, right? And notice how I'm looking at myself, but you're gonna have to be vulnerable with yourself about how you truly feel about this shit for realsies, because we've done had the Two of Cups and the Lovers and the Ace of Cups come out, okay, and the Ace of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles, okay. The only thing we ain't had come out as we go through it is the page. No, we had the Page of Wands. We didn't have the Ace of Wands. But we had the Tower come out and the Justice. So this is something that is coming fast. This is something definitely from the past. And you notice how I said that we wasn't going to go back through it. But it's something about yours, like sorting through what is yours and what ain't yours also. Um, Sorting through what is yours and what ain't yours. Something about the Tower and the Justice, like this is coming in quick, fast, and hurry. This is unexpected. This is something from your past that is wanting to be revisited and re-examined. And it's something about how these cards are split. I do got to look at this now. Because we got the Eight of Wands, the Magician, the Sun, and the Page of Wands. It's like this masculine has received all the insight that they needed in order to take action on what they truly desire. King of Wands, the Fool, Two of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, which is you type shit. Like they've received the insight, all the information, they've received the clarity. They manifested all this. They manifested the insight, the information, the da-da-da-da-da, that they needed to come towards you. Even if it is just a little bit. It's not exactly who they are. Notice how we had the masquerade, the projection, the mask. They might be, they might be masking just a little bit their true selves, but nonetheless, they got their mind on you and the opportunity and making things right. Okay? Making things right and starting something new with you. Because this Page of Wands is literally leading into the unknown. It's leading off into the unknown. Okay, now we got the Ace of Cups, the Justice, Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, which is technically Seven of Cups. But we had to break it down. We had to bring clarity. We had to bring clarity to the past so that we could see the present truthfully. We had to break things down. We had to actually see, like, there was no confusion after all. I really did like this person. I really did have feelings for this person. I was just a little lost in the sauce. I was a little misguided. I'm getting arrogant and egotistical 420. Thank you. Now here with this King of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Three of Swords in the reverse, Ace of Pentacles. That says everything I need to know. That says, hey, I want to make an offer towards you to like kind of heal the past, to once again, like literally heal the past. Like I see the truth. Four of Swords. Ace of Swords with the Three of Swords is Four of Swords. I took the time that I needed to rest and to get the clarity I needed on why I was so, why I was so combative about us in the past, right? So now here I am. When it falls on when it falls on the floor, it's that energy times four, and it's coming in. So now I really want to present to you a real true blue offer, right? A grounded offer. Match your fly, match your freak. You notice how I'm like settled now? And also I'm getting like 545, like slight ringing, like in my ear. It's not like feedback, but it's like in my ear. Like it's like I could hear glitters in my ear tinkling. Oh no. Like it's almost like ASMR, but not. Um, I find it funny that the Ace of Wands didn't come out solo, like on its own. It came out with of it. He's present with it. He's present in this process. Judgment. Well, not that, and see, I was going to get these out. The moon, perception. And ain't that what we've been talking about? How their perception is changing. And tension in reverse, and how the tension is now releasing. So maybe this is something definitely to do with Mercury retrograde, or something to do with astrology, like, and by astrology I mean that this is something hearth. Remember how I was saying that you are the thing that contains their fire? Nurture. Confirmation. 29 and 32. But that's also giving me 232. Perception again. I feel at, wait a second. 293219. 1929. For some reason that's like they completed a personal Nine of Swords. Yes, they did. They completed a personal Nine of Swords cycle, and now they see you clearly. Literally how I have the fucking cards, and I didn't even mean to have that, because we have perception over top of the King of Wands. Then we have Vesta over top of like the Fool and Two of Cups, and then we have Nurture over Queen and King of Pentacles. Like literally, they see now that you are their safe space. Activate solar flare. You have activated them, and it's funny because we had the catalyst card there on the bottom. Confirmation, then confirmation on this Aquarius, because we have the Star and this Libra with Justice. Maybe Aries energy too. Hell yeah, because King of Wands, Pentacle. This is an invitation. This is an invitation for them to act, and they recognize that. This is literally the Aries card, and this is Scorpio. This is the investigate card, and this is Mercury. And this Mercury with messages. So this definitely has something to do with Mercury retrograde and introspection. So be expecting a message. Okay. Arrival, first house. Wow. I just want to crack it. And maybe they just confirmation on the death. Confirmation on the catalyst. Confirmation on the activate. Confirmation. And I saw 944. They want to hold on to that. Queen of Cups. Jesus. All right, y'all. I'm going to holler at y'all later.